Hello friends, good day to you all wherever you might be right now across the world. I want to show you some coins that you need to buy now in this video. This is LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. If you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell for you to be continually aware of the next update. So as we all know that cryptocurrency is one of the means whereby you can generate money online, whereby you can make money for yourself online, and there are so many opportunities there. But one thing is that you need to have the right information, because if you just buy the wrong coin, it is very possible that due to the volatility nature of cryptocurrency, it can fall in price and can result to a panic on you. But one thing is that after you have purchased a particular cryptocurrency, after it has been analyzed, so you just need to take the action to buy the coin. It's either you hold for so long or you sell whenever you experience a little profit or your own targeted profits. But if the reverse happened, you don't need to panic, but you just need to stay on the particular coin, because it will surely reverse in price. Though how long that will take, it is what no one can predict. So for that reason, I will be showing some coin that you need to buy now. Okay, quickly let me take you to the coin market capitalization. Okay, so this is the coin market capitalization. It is a list of the major cryptocurrency in the world, and as you all know that Bitcoin is the leader of the cryptocurrency, so it determines the price of the cryptocurrency market and also determines the price action and the direction. So right now, Bitcoin is now sold at the rate of 61,051 US dollars and is still on the first position, followed by Ethereum 4,078 dollars. Okay, so these are the coins that I like to buy. The first one is Binance Coin. Binance Coin, it has a total supply of 18 million, and even that 18 million, not the current market supply is not up to 18 million. So, and this shares as in it shares something in common with Bitcoin, which is the total supply and the market supply. So because the lower the total supply of the coin, the higher it appreciates in value. So you need to buy Binance Coin. And another reason for you to buy it is that Binance has the largest cryptocurrency exchange site in the world. So it is very certain that their price will surely rise in price. Okay, so Binance Coin is the first coin that I like you to buy. And no matter what happened, Bitcoin is still the leader of cryptocurrency. So you can also get some Bitcoin in your cryptocurrency portfolio. Buy Binance Coin, buy Bitcoin. Okay, and also this Cardano coin is doing well of recent. You can see it fell by 1.22% in the last 24 hours. So this is the best time for you to buy Cardano coin. It's still very cheap in price. You can accumulate as more as possible. So no one knows how much Cardano can cost in the nearest future. Let's say in the next 6 months, this $2 can turn to $20. And when you have that, just calculate it with the number of Cardano that you might have purchased. So that is the number 3 coin that I would like you to buy, followed by Dogecoin. It's still very low in price, just 26 cents. And last one that I would like you to buy is Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu coin rose by 15.87% in the last 24 hours, and the price is very low. It's very low. It's not even close to a cent. As you can see, 0.00003822. So these are the list of the cryptocurrency that I would like you to buy for now. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. This is LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, and like this video, share with your friends and family also, for them to benefit from the information that I've just received. Okay, till the next video. I am Lasisi Olukunle, the creator of this channel. Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye for now. I love you all.